ako ng coffee ground sa Starbucks. Kasi sayang, diba? I'm waiting, asking for used ground. Maganda sa mga fertilizer ng ating halaman. Excited! Starbucks. Hindi, ganun o, pag ganun. Hello guys, so ito na yung hiningi ko si Starbucks na coffee ground. So ngayon, patutuyuin ko to at gagawin kong fertilizer ng aking mga halaman. Ayan, so check it out. Doon sa mga nagme-message sa akin about sa SMG, as of now, wala pa namang nangyayari sa akin na nabubulok or nalalagas yung bulaklak. Siguro po, mali lang po yung procedure. Kung halimbawa po nadamihan nyo yung betchin, medyo untian nyo ng konti. So, ganun lang po yung adjustment. So, pero wala pa po kasi akong nai-encounter sa mga halaman ko na nangyari yun. Ayan, at shout out nga pala doon sa nag-comment sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Okay guys, let's start. I just want to show you how to clean the reused coffee ground from my favorite coffee shop, Starbucks. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsor. I just asked if he can give me a reused coffee ground. Then I'm using to my plant. Disclaimer once again, this is not a sponsor. Happy planting! Guys, this is it. Let's start to spread our organic fertilizer, that is coffee ground. So make it sure that you put one by one on your plants. So happy and watch my video how to put the coffee ground organic fertilizer on my plant. So guys, look at that lively plant of mine. So I just always maintaining how do I give all my plants fertilizer. So now I'm using organic fertilizer, coffee ground, and then on my flower I spray SMG. I do alternate all I can. So guys, I hope you also do this on your small space on the house. You enjoy planting while we are pandemic. So this is the stress reliever. Promise, I'm really enjoy it. If you start to using organic fertilizer that is coffee ground, you must put every once a week. So you may continue this, and you will give a best result. Like your plants look like lively, healthy, and also the leaf is greenish, and of course if give you a more beautiful flower. So happy planting. As you can see, small amount of coffee ground, it's okay. It's no problem. As long as you spread well around on your plant. So, don't worry about the amount of coffee ground. Much better you put one by one. And after that, you will give water, and promise your plants will become a lovely, lively, and healthy growth. So guys, I hope you like it. This kind of tips how to use organic fertilizer. And if you are new here on my channel, so please don't forget to click my subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and most especially my notification bell to keep update on my new uploaded video. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. Bye everyone. Mwah!